Remove the trim in front of the screen. Unscrew the 2 screws on the control panel. Remove the cup holder and screw out the bottom 2 screws. Pull the saddle back after removing the trim panel. Take out the air conditioner panel. Lower the bezel under the steering wheel. Continue to take the air conditioner panel out, noting that the plug on the back of the panel needs to be pulled out. Unscrew the screws on the control panel. Take out the center console, and note that the plug behind the panel needs to be unplugged. Take out the control panel, and pull out the plug behind the panel as well. Unscrew the screws on the main unit. Take out the head unit. Unscrew all the screws on the screen. Take out the screen. Unplug all the plugs behind the screen. Unscrew all the screws on the back of the screen. Also screw out the screws of the bezel on both sides of the screen. Unscrew the screws on the bottom bezel of the screen. Remove the frame of the screen. Go ahead and unscrew the screws on the screen. Disassemble the screen, and be careful with the cable behind you when disassembling it. Take out the flat cable on the back of the screen. Unscrew all the screws on the bezel on the main board of the screen. Remove the motherboard bezel. Remove the bezel at the top of the screen. Remove the flat cables from the motherboard. Take out the long, flat cable from the PCB board of CarPlay, and connect it to the screen motherboard. Then connect the short, flat cable on the PCB board of CarPlay to the screen motherboard. The PCB board of CarPlay can be fixed to the screen motherboard. Take out the LVDS cable from CarPlay, and connect it to the PCB board of CarPlay. Connect the flat cable at the other end of the CarPlay PCB to the back of the screen. The screen part is partially installed, and the original car screen can be restored. Reconnect the screen plug of the original car. Take out the CarPlay module and wiring harness, and connect the main line with the power plug of the original car host. Connect the other end of the CarPlay main line to the original car head unit. Connect the main line of CarPlay to the box. Connect CarPlay's LVDS cable and 2-pin plug to the box. The CarPlay box can be placed inside the cab air conditioning panel. After the CarPlay installation is completed, you can restore the original car layout. Enter into the media interface in the original car system, and select AUX. Press and hold the Hang Up button on the steering wheel to switch the CarPlay system. You can enter the Bluetooth interface to view CarPlay, Bluetooth name, and other information. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and connect CarPlay Bluetooth, tap Pair, Allow. Click to use CarPlay, and you can enjoy wireless CarPlay after successful connection.
触摸，高德百度都有。
已为你开启北斗高精导航服务，准备出发。选乘
使用超级流畅。